Kia ora team and welcome to episode 2 for our procedural writing literacy learning. Alright, so this week we are learning to identify and understand the writer's purpose, structure and language features of procedural writing. If you haven't already, make sure this is copied in your writing book. Just to break that walk down, we have 3 questions that we really need to answer confidently by the end of the week. All right, and we already know this first question. What is the author's purpose for creating procedural text? We know it's to inform our audience on how to complete a specific task. Okay, question 2, the structure of a procedural text. Well, we had a look at that yesterday or the day before, episode 1. And we know that it needs to include a title, goal or aim, materials and ingredients, series of steps, and then a conclusion. Okay, we're going to have a look at question 3 today. Here are some examples of a procedure. The more examples that we read, the more familiar we will become with procedural writing. Okay, team, so same thing. I would like you to read this text or click the play button to listen to the procedure being read to you and then answer these questions. Same with this one here. Right, read the text or click the play button and then answer the questions. And again, read this text here, click the play button if you would prefer being read to, and then answer these questions. And last one, have a read of this one, click the play button and then answer the questions. Alright team, you would have noticed in those examples that there was a lot of language of instruction. Alright, really important that we use language of instruction in our procedure to show a command, a warning, a suggestion or advice, okay? So action verbs are really important in our writing. Cut the fruit in half, select one from each group, add a cup of sugar. Okay, we really want to see a range of different action verbs there, telling your reader how to do something. Also important that we add language to indicate time and sequence. Okay, so these are our time connectives, conjunctions, numbers, and the layout of the text that is used to sequence the instructions. So this might include, firstly, slice the tomatoes into pieces. At the beginning, soak the beans in warm water. Soon after, remove the saucepan from the heat. All right. Language of description is also very important. These are our adverbs and adverbal phrases for manner, time, and place. Right, so stir the mixture slowly or quickly. Sprinkle the flour lightly. Turn the glove inside out. All right, really important to use language of description too. Also adding our adjectives and our adjectival phrases. Okay, team? So use a large or small spoon to mix. Place the paper with gold stars on the tabletop. Cut the stiff cardboard with the sharp scissors. Okay, team? Here's your next task. Pause the video here and complete the task. List some action verbs that relate to making a fruit kebab. You've got 1 minute, team. Go. Well done, Cody. I wonder if you bet me. I had cut, thread, put, garnish, insert, peel, taste, grab, eat. How did you do? All right, team, let's start by writing a simple procedure together. All right, so we need to start with the title. What is the goal of the activity outcome? Now, I think a good idea would be how to make a fruit kebab so that we can make them ourselves afterwards and enjoy them. Next thing that we need to add is our aim or goal. What is it that you want your reader to achieve? So maybe we could add something along the lines of follow this recipe to enjoy a healthy yet delicious rainbow treat. We then need to add our materials or ingredients. What materials or ingredients are needed to complete this activity? Well, I know we need fruit of your choice. Banana, orange, grapes, apple, watermelon. Marshmallows are essential. Knife, skewers. Maybe you also need a cutting board. That would be important as well. All right, the next thing we need to add is our method or series of steps. So in a logical sequence, write the steps you need to take in order to reach your goal. Have a think. Have I missed anything out here? Step 1. Begin by washing your fruit under the sink. Step 2. Cut your fruit into 2 centimeter chunks or slices. Step 3. Put fruit into a large bowl. Step 4. Squeeze lemon juice over the fruit to keep from browning. Step 5. Pick up piece of fruit and carefully poke into skewer. Step 4, that's step 6. Pick up marshmallow and carefully poke into skewer. And step 7, that should be, continue this step until your fruit kebab has 6 pieces of fruit of your choice, or 2 large marshmallows. And then finish by writing a conclusion. All right, this is a short statement to conclude your procedure. For example, now you have a delicious and healthy treat to share with your friends and family. Okay, team, so I would like you to try and do that by creating your own recipe on how to make a kebab. You might have different materials or ingredients and make sure it's in that sequence with our structure. Tune in tomorrow or the next day for episode 3 of our procedural writing. Well done today, coach.